Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys the latest weekly outfit in the currency shop on Dress to Impress. So it costs around 8,000. I believe it's around that much. But this is what's in store in the weekly boutique. There's this dress, shoes, ribbon skirt, and candy cane. So I'm just going to purchase everything and have almost to nothing left. And I will have to grind again if I want to get the next week the items next week. So let's purchase everything. So let's do this. And you'll be able to find it in the dressing rooms, of course. Here, I'm just getting more pink currencies. Okay, I'm just going to put this on and then I'll take the rest off. This is what it looks like. I think I have everything off. Yes, it is super cute. I wish the dress, the skirt didn't go through the floor though, but this is what it looks like. Again, super cute. Love the skirt, love the accessories, and just everything about it. And yeah, that's pretty much it really. That is the new weekly currency items in Dress to Impress. Make sure you grind for more pink currencies because you need them next week for the next one. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!